It may only be February, but it's not too early to start planning for the 2013 holiday season. Having money set aside for holiday gift giving could prevent you from having to take out a payday loan because you are short on Christmas cash. Often we don't even think about holiday shopping until we are in the thick of the season and are compiling lists for our children, spouses, family members and friends. Aside from not preparing our finances, doesn't it seem like we always spend more than we planned or budgeted for? That's when you may find yourself desperate and borrowing from credit cards, money from a retirement fund or payday loan to cover what we don't have in the bank. Start early and have peace of mind that the money for those eagerly anticipated presents will be there when you go to make your purchases. The holiday account is a great way to stuff away cash for Christmas, Hanukkah, or whatever end of the year holiday you and your family celebrate. The first thing to do is determine how much you plan on spending. That amount isn't limited to what you spend in gifts. It could account for expenses incurred with travel, food and entertainment. Oftentimes we don't look at the season as a whole and end up spending way more than we anticipated. That is when people start taking out payday and cash advance loans to meet unaccounted expenses. If you are able to look at bank statements and receipts from last year, you can get a better estimate of what you think you will need to save. Now, take that amount and divide it by the number of contributions you will make. Let's say you start in March and want to withdraw the cash in November to start shopping. If you contribute on the 15th of each month, that will give you approximately 9 contributions. Take the amount you want to save and divide it by 9. You will then have the amount you need to deposit into your holiday account each month. Next, open your holiday account at your bank or credit union. If your banking institution doesn't offer this type of account, you can opt for a regular savings account or find another bank that does offer holiday accounts. Some banks will even let you choose the term in which you want to save, for example, 6 to 12 months. Opening a separate account will help you avoid the temptation to use that money for something other than what it was set aside for. It's even better if it's at another bank location since you won't have easy access to it. For this reason, online banks are a smart choice. Lastly, make it automatic. In other words, set up automatic deposits each month to ensure you are contributing to your holiday account. Make sure you incorporate these deposits in your monthly budget. By doing so, your finances will allow for the deposits to the account and you will be in the habit of contributing to your holiday fund. You'll be amazed how quickly your money will grow. When it comes time to start purchasing items on those wish lists, you won't feel the stress of trying to afford everything. Not only will you have peace of mind with your holiday finances, you won't have to think about taking out a payday loan to cover your costs.